everyone, welcome to another video. इस वीडियो में I'm going to be showing you a hijab tutorial which is for very casual stuff, for running errands or for going shopping or doing stuff जिसके अंदर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा fancy किस्म की इस तरह हिजाब नहीं लेना होता. So let's start. I'm going to show you using this hijab that I'm using right now obviously, but I'm going to change it up a little. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna fold up the front like this so that it doesn't create a very big what edge na bane, it becomes a very nice creased edge. So I'm gonna take a scarf pin like this, and it's not gonna focus. So and I'm gonna take this edge to the top and I'm gonna pin it right here so that it doesn't move. Okay, so doing this, I'm gonna take the other edge of the hijab. Let's tuck this in here. Okay? उसके बाद using the other edge, what you need to do is take it over your head like this, very nicely. And once you're done with that, pull the back edge one of the hijab pins. Okay. So once I'm done with this, basically I need another pin like this to take this side, bring it to the front and pin it right here so that it doesn't move a lot. Okay. Now. Okay. So once this is done, I'm gonna take a few more pins जो कि बक्स हुए जिनको कहते हैं, and I'm gonna settle it जल्दी से यहाँ पे, and एक और मैं use करूँगी यहाँ पे so that it doesn't move a lot. And we're basically done. This is quick and easy. This is for very casual days out, for running errands, for going shopping, and वो दूध दही लेने के लिए जब आप जाएं तो you can just wear this very easily. You can also add a brooch right here, or you can use a very fancy kapda to make it a little more nicer if you're going out and you have something nicer to do afterwards as well. So what do you think? So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye.